Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jamie G back here again. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. I've got a couple of things I'd love to discuss with you. One is the Facebook ads library. The other one is the end of my 90-day challenge, which happens to be today. I'll see you guys right after this. Hey, welcome back guys, it's Jamie G here, and for those of you that are new to my channel, my name's Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Anyway, two things I wanted to cover with you guys today. Number one is I've been doing a 90-day challenge, which happens to finish today. I've finally done the 90 days. Now, the 90-day challenge for me was that I just wanted to produce a video and upload it to my YouTube channel every single day for 90 days. And I can tell you, it is harder than it looks. And I mean, for example, I've been away, I've been at weddings, I've had funerals. There's all sorts of stuff that's thrown a spanner in the works. My computer decided to crash. My phone decided not to go anymore. The screen recording software would delete the recordings. It has been challenging to say the least, but it is damn well worth it, and I do highly recommend you do something similar yourself in terms of content. If you're not comfortable on camera and you are looking to get your affiliate marketing game out there, or your brand out there I should say, whether it's blogging, whether it is updating your Facebook group every single day, whether it's a YouTube video, whether it's a, I don't know, podcast if you're more inclined that way, I do recommend just doing it for 90 days. And it sounds simple when you put it on paper, and then all of a sudden you hit for me it was around the 50 to 60 day mark, and I started thinking, I don't think I've got anything to say anymore. I don't know how I'm gonna funnel all my words into the camera today. This is gonna be awkward. And sure enough, I did find content. Some days it was just me going, oh hi guys, check out this link below, it's great. So it wasn't ideal, and I think sometimes the quality of the video actually suffered as a result, but I finally did it. I'm here, and if you're watching this, you're watching video number 90, and I'm going to keep going. I have no plans on stopping whatsoever, and as you can see at the point of recording, my channel is still very small. I do have pretty big ambitions for both my channel and my affiliate marketing in general, so I can't wait to see what the future holds for that. So anyway, that's the first thing. The second thing is basically, there's a new feature from Facebook, and as you may well know, I run Facebook ads for a living, so it is the new library feature. It's an ads library. So if you go to facebook.com/ads/library, it's going to be able to give you access to all ads that have been run on Facebook at the moment, which is pretty damn cool. Now, there's a search function at the top of the page. All you need to do is type in the actual niche or industry or page name if you know it, and you'll be able to see what ads they're running and what country they're running those ads to. Now, the benefit is if you're a small business and you're trying to work out, how do I advertise my business, what are other businesses doing, you simply need to go to the ads library, and all you need to do is start typing in your niche or industry, and you can see what other people are doing. You can reverse engineer what they're doing, use similar creatives, similar ad copy, and start promoting your business in the exact same way, which is pretty cool. Now, of course, I'm not encouraging you to plagiarize anything whatsoever. Please do not do that. But what I'm saying is that you can model what other people are doing, and you know that if they've been advertising for a little while, if the ads have been around for quite some time, clearly they are working. So therefore, it's a sign that you can then model that ad and that creative into your own business. So I happen to know that there are products out there where you can do this as well, where you can see what's being run. In fact, I think it might actually be called what runs where. Don't quote me on this, but last time I checked, it was well into a couple $100 per month to use. Not saying it's not a worthwhile tool, but this now, for Facebook at least, shows a lot more transparency in terms of what's being advertised as well. So it's a really powerful tool. So that's the two things I wanted to cover today. 90-day challenge finished, done and dusted, and I'm going to continue to produce awesome content. Now, of course, if you do want me to produce anything in particular, if there's anything you're interested in learning, whether it's Facebook ads or affiliate marketing or any of that stuff, let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you do want to join my Builder All team, As you may well know, I promote Builderall. So there's a link below. Grab a free trial. Join my team if you're interested, and hit me up if you've got any questions. So my name's Jamie G. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and I'll see you guys next time.